we are having a heating filament connected to it. We can connect the what we refer to as a variable resistor. So we have our heating filament here connected to a variable resistor. We have our variable resistor there, then connected to some voltage supply of 6 volts. Then here we have our switch. We have our switch here. So that is what we have. Then here we have what we are going to heat, which is called the cathode. We are going to name this. So we have it connected to the negative terminal. That is now, this is the cathode connected to the negative terminal. This negative, then this is a supply of around 12 volts. So we have negative, positive, negative and positive. Then connected to a milliammeter. Milliammeter is able to record the small changes in current. It is able to read some very small amounts of current. Then on the other side, we have what we refer to as the anode on this other side. So here we have the anode that is on the positive terminal. So we have our anode here. And then this one is enclosed in what we call an evacuated glass bulb. So the next thing we can first name. We can first label all those parts that we have. So we have seen that here we have a variable resistor. This is the switch. This is the heating filament. This is the heating filament. We want to look at the thermionic emission. Here we have our cathode. Cathode is a negatively charged terminal. You can see it's connected to the negative side. So we have the cathode, the negatively charged terminal. Then on this side we have, on the positive side, we have what we call the anode, a positively charged terminal or electron. Then here we have an evacuated glass bulb. And I want